Logitech wireless keyboard, mouse hangs. Problems. Intermittent nature. The mouse will often hang, won't move. The keyboard will often not type. Sometimes, the keys get saved up and come out later all at once, and sometimes they never come out. The mouse seems to have difficulty traveling to the top left of the screen. Equipment. Dell Precision M3800 laptop. Windows 10 professional operating system. Logitech wireless keyboard, K270. Logitech wireless mouse, M185. They came in the same box, use the same dongle. Pluggable USB 3.0 docking station that runs the DisplayLink software. It has two monitors attached to it, one by DV and the other by HDMI. It's plugged into the laptop by USB. Troubleshooting steps taken. Wired keyboard and wired mouse work great. When wireless was plugged in, it was in a USB port on the laptop itself, not the docking station. I rerouted the monitors to plug directly into the laptop. Take this docking station out of the equation. So far the wireless keyboard/mouse are not malfunctioning. This seems to indicate that the docking station is a necessary component to reproduce the problem. But I have to give it 1 to 2 days to make sure because the problem is intermittent. Question. What would be a good first choice for a fix I can try that won't hurt anything? Update a driver, where?
Given the new details, this looks to be a case of USB 3 interference in the 2.4 GHz band. From Intel's note on USB 3.0 radio frequency interference on 2.4 GHz devices, page links to the full PDF download. The purpose of this document is to create an awareness of radio frequency interference to wireless devices operating in the 2.4 GHz ISM band. As a result of certain USB 3.0 devices and cables, the 2.4 GHz ISM band is a widely used unlicensed radio frequency band for devices such as wireless routers, as well as wireless PC peripherals such as a mouse or keyboard. Among recommendations to mitigate the issue, posted in a Logitech wiki at potential USB 3.0 interference. If your PC has multiple USB 2.0 connectors available, separate your USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 receivers by as much distance as possible. For example, if your PC has a choice of USB 2.0 connectors, use the one on the opposite side of the PC from the USB 3.0 connector. Position your USB 2.0 receiver as close as possible to your wireless peripheral, mouse, keyboard, headphones, etc. Use a standard USB adapter cable to position your USB 2.0 wireless receiver as far away as possible from your USB 3.0 connector. The last one might be the best one to try in the case of a docking station, where space between USB connectors is usually tight.
USB 3.0 has been interfering. I disconnected the mass storage device adapter connected to the USB 3.0 backplane and now I have no problems with my wireless keyboard and mouse.
I got the new Logitech G502 wireless mouse and its associated recharging mouse pad. I've been having sticky mouse problems for months. And only in the last few days did I figure out that the onset of the problems coincided with my purchase of the Mouse Plus pad. Which I verified by A, switching back to my Logitech Master 2s a couple days ago, which made the problems worse. And B, After reading this thread, removing the recharging pad and substituting an old foam one. When I did B, the problems went away entirely. Note that you can't really move the receiver around as it is part of the recharging mouse pad. That explains why the Master 2s made it worse until I removed the blocking pad, but doesn't explain why the G502 Plus Magic Pad combo sucked, but it did. I don't see that the surface of the pad would affect mouse operation, but certainly the characteristics that allow the mouse to wirelessly recharge do.
I have been using a new wireless mouse keyboard from Logitech. Just bought to help my home working. I had the USB plugged into USB 3 at the back of my PC, and so infuriating I had exactly same issues as above. Hanging keyboard/mouse, trying to highlight something in Word, then lose connection so would just unhighlight. Lots of issues, which almost made me want to throw mouse out window. Anyway, tried all sorts, uninstall, reinstall, disable mouse precision, etc. Then today I moved the USB to one of my front used too, which I didn't want cause they're thermi charges, etc. But hey, tested it out earlier, and all the tasks I couldn't do were done with ease. Even surprised me how quick and solid/stable. Who would have known USB 3 interference? Well, going to go to work again tomorrow and pray it will be a better day. You just can't have your office equipment being stupid.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.